Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we are going to simplify 40 divided by 2 times 60 minus 20 by 5 is what. So let's simplify this. So there are multiple operation, division, bracket, this minus sign, subtraction sign, and then division. So what we solve first? So we will use the BODMAS rule that helps to give the preference of the operation. So where B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So according to BODMAS rule, we will give preference to first the bracket. So 40 divided by 2, 60 minus 20 is 40 by 5. Now division, multiplication and division. So first we'll give the division. 40 divided by 2 is 20 times 40 by 5. So we can write as well 20 by 5 times 40 or 20 times 40 by 5 as well. So this gives us in table of 5, 20 comes at 4 place. 4 times 40 is 160. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.